Hey there, I'm Sean with Frontpage, and in this video, I am going to show you how to go from a blank canvas to a fully built website in a matter of just minutes using Frontpage. Step by step, start to finish. We'll walk through the onboarding flow together, we'll watch the site get built, and we'll also make our first edit. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get your website up and running. Let's get into it. The first initial site on Frontpage is going to ask you, how do you want to build your website? But for the purposes of today's video, I wanted to show you the build from scratch option, which is basically a prompt builder, and it's also our most popular option that people choose. So I'm going to go ahead and click that and then click next. And here, step one is going to ask you what you're building. Just a sentence or two about your business. I'm going to type Porch Coffee Co. is a neighborhood coffee shop serving specialty espresso drinks, lattes, and pour-overs in a cozy, welcoming space. And then I'm going to hit next. Step two asks what kind of site you're building. You can see all the options here. I'm going to select business or brand for the purpose of this video. We're going to go ahead and hit next. Step three asks what the main thing is you want visitors to do. So this kind of shapes how the whole site is going to get built. So think about it for a second. Make sure you have, a good idea of what's the main purpose. But for the coffee shop, people mainly just want to find us, check our hours, and see the menu. So I'm just going to select just learn about you. I'm going to go ahead and hit next. Step four is going to ask you who your customers are. Now, you do want to keep this very specific. So I'm going to type coffee lovers, remote workers, and neighborhood locals looking for a cozy spot to grab a quality drink, get some work done, or catch up with friends. That's the customer I'm looking for. Step five is all about the look and the feel of your website. You can pick up to 3 styles. Your first choice is going to set the main tone and colors, and the other ones are going to add the accents. I'm going to go with warm and friendly for my first one. You know what? Let's go with natural and earthy since this is a coffee shop. I'm also going to keep it light. We're going to go to the next step. And the last step is where you upload your logo and photos. You're going to add your brand color, tell it anything specific that you want on the site. I'm going to upload the Porch Coffee Co. logo and 4 photos. I have an interior shot, exterior, a barista, and a latte close-up. So let me do that now. In the brand color field, I'm going to type warm brown, kind of an espresso feel. And then the last field, I'm adding include a menu highlights section, hours, location, a photo gallery, and a short about us section. And then I'm going to hit build my site. The average build time for a first-time website in our prompt builder is usually 4 to 5 minutes. All right, let's see what we got. Wow, that's amazing. Okay, so this is the first draft. Frontpage gets me every time. This is absolutely incredible. You can see that it pulled in my logo. It used this shot of the exterior of the coffee shop as the hero backdrop. Looks incredible. Hero section, of course, at the top. You got the menu, about section, gallery, visit, and find us buttons, everything I asked it to do. This is a great website. So let's go ahead and scroll down and keep doing the reveal. Check that out. Barista shot with a little bit of our story, the menu highlights. Wow, this is great. Using the photos for the gallery section, hours and location. Look at that. Beautiful interior shot right here. Perfect footer at the bottom here. Guys, this is an outstanding version 1 of a website. Let me show you something for demonstration purposes. This information it has here is incorrect. So I'm going to go to, instead of read only, I'm going to go to the prompt. And then right here, as you can see, it highlights every specific box and you can change any individual thing. Let's say I started this coffee shop this year. So let's change year to 2026. So I'm just going to type it there. I'm going to hit enter. It's going to put my prompt into the queue, and within seconds, As you can see, it did a clean switch. Cedar Grove since 2026. What's really special about Frontpage is it makes building a website, of course, so incredibly easy. But also, you don't have to click through menus, no dragging elements around. You just talk to it through conversation. You tell it what you want. This is going to be a game changer for small businesses who don't have the time to fiddle with their websites. You get a properly search engine optimized website in a matter of minutes.
So that's everything for this video, starting from scratch and landing on a real working website in only one session. Of course, if this helped you out, please feel free to subscribe to the channel. More content like this is coming. And if you got questions, please drop them in the comments below. I read all of them. Thanks, everybody. We'll see you in the next one.